What's up, guys?
Someone put Jade Mas on Nikola Tesla.
It's Nikola Tesla. Wait. Oh wait, yeah. Gotta show them. Gotta show the light in the lightning.
Light in the lightning.
When there's
Cotton footage.
when there's thunder, there's lightning. Night.
That was in real life, bro. Where's the lightning at?
Is he dead? Is Nikola Tesla dead?
No, he disappeared from the video.
What's happening, bro?
Bro, he didn't even show up when we are recording.
Anytime now, any second now.
Oh, I heard that. Nikola Tesla has joined the Philippines, bruh.
Nikola Tesla scared that we might post it to the police.
No. Cotton footage. What about we keep it like this?
Bet.
Dude, it's getting more darker. Bro, Nikola Tesla is so scary.
You know why he's here? It's nighttime. It's almost night.
That's why I keep playing Dead Rails and then he gets summoned by my classmate JR. Jose.
If it's nighttime and if you see the sky red, then you're cooked, bro.
It's Blood Moon.
Yes, vampire night. You're cooked.
Thunder Night also Oh
my god.
Oh my
Alright,
God.
guys, it's true. Nikola Tesla's here.
I promise, believe us.
But I didn't hear the thunder, so I don't know what happened. Oh no,
my
I saw it
jelly.
again.
I don't like blue cheese because it's really smelly. If you touch my pizza, you will die.
Don't touch my pizza. Don't touch my cherry. If you touch my pizza.
The legend is true.
Yes.
My avatar, bro. Where's my horse going? Bro, where's Nikola Tesla, bro?
Close to me. Close to me. You can download this
1x, 1x.
Bro, why did they delete the 1 egg? The
I
chef.
don't know.
I
It's
wanted
sad.
that, bro. 1 egg. I wanted that skin.
I realized that it was limited. Where did Nikola Tesla go? I saw it.
Bro, I heard in a YouTube video, Mafioso's getting deleted. Good thing we have Mafioso.
I heard that thunder. I saw that thunder right there.
Bro,
No, we're next.
nah, bro.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
What?
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes.
I'm gonna sub.
Bet. Thanks. Strongest pony grounds. What caption should I add for that when I post that?
What do you mean caption?
The title. What should I say?
I should name it.
Bet. It's about Nikola Tesla and the Reels.
Nikola Tesla. The title will be Nikola Tesla Cotton Footage.
Yes. And if it's lightning again, we'll show part 2. Nikola
Yes.
Tesla. Yes.
Wait, also the title.
Yes.
The rare footage of Nikola Tesla.
If we see a full
lightning
moon,
struck.
lol.
Oh, it's so huge, bruh.
Bro, if you see a full moon, then that means we gotta post another video.
I'm faster
Because
than the
it's
wolf.
werewolf night,
I'm faster than the wolf because I'm the werewolf.
bro. Imagine they had Slenderman in Forsaken.
Imagine if they add Nikola Tesla Forsaken.
Bro, that's gonna... They might be They might get deleted because they might do the copyright of Dead Rails.
What if the outlaw was added as a survivor?
Yes, it has a gun.
Wait,
chance.
what about Nikola Tesla will be, wait. The skin of, wait, what was that?
Guess?
Now, 1x4
1x4.
in the The goons will be the zombies. The
Yes.
scientist zombies, bro.
The zombies should be werewolves.
Oh, I heard that.
Oh my god, bro.
The title will be a rare footage of Nikola Tesla lightning strike and someone put a jade mask on Nikola Tesla.
That's why the sky is like
I
blue.
will message you the title and then you will copy it.
Yes.
Copy
I'll
paste.
post in YouTube.
Bro, that's so creepy.
Bro, there's so hot.
I don't think Ghidorah will be there. How's bro flying? Bro, this is so creepy.
For real. That is not a myth anymore.
The what?
Nikola Tesla. At least there are no zombies.
I think it's because I defeated Nikola Tesla one time today.
Lol.
GR and after that I was at training and GR messaged me, sent me a photo. He summoned it again. Yes.
Bro.
Oh no. If you see a jar, don't open it.
Why?
It might be
Oh,
Nikola
yes.
Tesla.
Lol.
No, it's Tesla. Nissan Tesla.
Bro. Wanna play Forsaken later?
Yes.
Yes. I'll see if Yano's online.
Okay. Oh no, we're gonna go there, bro.
I got a new tough skin.
What is it?
I forgot the name, but I'll describe it. The head is a subspace trip mine.
Oh, it's Warhead.
Yes,
My classmate JR have that.
Warhead, the candy.
The sour candy.
XD.
I was thinking of that also. Dude, this is so creepy.
For real.
I can't imagine how big it is.
For real, bro.
Dude, I have a friend. Avatar is Outlaw. And also Nicola.
Bro, I saw that.
Tux. We are going north.
Should I get a shed that's ski avatar? And then I'll be mini. I'll find the
I'll be the bunny.
bet.
Junoya or Maidman?
How about I get the mafioso and then you be the bunny.
And Junoya.
And then
I'll get
you
the
be
two of
on my shoulder so it looks realistic.
You can also put it in natural disaster survival.
Yes. I want to get the egg shed that's ski avatar. When I search that, it costs
The mermaid.
like 7 million. Bro, that's 7 billion Robux, bro.
What?
Who made that, bro?
7 mil?
For real, bro?
Wait, it's 7 mil the egg?
Yes.
The one with the mermaid?
No, not with the mermaid. The egg shed ski with
The mini? The small one?
the fried chicken.
Pinadaan na kita bukas ng 7:20 ha.
Apo.
Last day nyo na sa badminton.
I'll message you the title.
Bet.
Bro, that was so loud.
I didn't know
Dad,
this
Rails
night
and
would
Rila.
come.
When I comment the first on your channel, I'll tell you my name.
Okay.
Tell me your channel on Messenger.
Bet. Let's go gambling.
Oh, dang it.